This week I turned 66 and I wanted to share some thoughts with you on reaching this age. So, this is going to be a short video, but it's also unedited. I'm hoping that I don't go on a ramble here. But I just wanted to talk about something that I've been thinking about. It's been 10 years since I left corporate America, and that has gone so quick. And I'm still staying in contact with some of the people that I worked with, my former boss, who's now become one of my best friends, and a couple of other colleagues, some of my staff that I had under me. I still talk with them. But I got to tell you that after 10 years, I have no regrets whatsoever of making that decision. I was a vice president in information services. I'd been with the company for over 18 years, making a six-figure income and nice bonuses, 4 weeks vacation. I had really worked my way up the ladder. And I ended up giving 3 months notice to take a part-time coaching business, which I'd started about 2 years earlier, full-time. I'd been seeing clients at night on the weekends, and I really enjoyed the coaching business, so I decided to take a risk and walk away from corporate America and pursue that full-time. Absolutely no regrets. It's been a phenomenal journey. But as of January 2025, I pretty much put that on the back burner and I started focusing on really embracing retirement with purpose, passion, and new beginnings. And if you've followed this channel, you know that a lot of my videos have been about that, about living healthy and following your passion and having a purpose out there. Like for me, still having this YouTube channel. I've had an incredible journey. And something else that I had been thinking about most recently, often I will come across these YouTube videos. What would you tell your younger self? And I'd been thinking about that a lot as well. 50 years ago, I was 16, and I got to tell you, when I was 16, I was struggling. I was not a good student. I really did not see any future in myself. It was a horrible time, and I know I was a delinquent. I was a problem with my mom. I used to get in trouble with the law. I had been kicked out of school, and I was walking around pretty much a depressed teenager. And if I could go back and talk to my 16-year-old self, I would let him know that it's going to be okay. Everything is going to be okay. Because I got to tell you, I have one of the best lives right now. I have a beautiful family. I've had a wonderful career. I have just a blessed life. And I think a lot of it has to do also with just believing in yourself, trusting yourself to make all of the right moves, and then just experiencing, or what I would say, practicing gratitude, just being thankful for everything that you have. So anyway, and again, short video today, but 66 years old, for me, that's a milestone. I was being an only child. I do have a half brother, but being pretty much an only child. My dad died at 44. My mom died at 54. Today I'm 66. And I'm healthy, I'm happy, I'm alive, and I am totally blessed. So thank you for stopping by. If you haven't done so already, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell notification as I do upload new videos every Tuesday. Thanks again for stopping by, and I'll chat with you next week. Take care.